Good morning. Welcome to Running in Circles with Heidi Gamel, aka Nest Pretty. It's a lovely day here in Florida, 71 degrees, and it just feels amazing. So I wanted to share with you this little experience that I had one time. This has been a couple of years ago. I was at a conference and the keynote speaker was from the Midwest, and he was here in Florida. So he came on and just said he was so glad to be in Florida because it was so warm and beautiful. And he said, and you're so fortunate that you have the ocean in your backyard. And this woman in the audience yelled out, "But we never get to go!" And I was like, Note to self, don't ever be like that. I don't ever want to be that person who is bitter about the choices that I've made. And I also don't want to be the person who lives in Florida and never goes to the beach. This year has been a bit of an exception for everyone, of course. Everyday basis, I want to be the girl who goes to the beach and takes advantage of my backyard. And that just is a reminder for all of us. Like, for me, I love the sun, I love heat, I love water. So if I never did those things or took advantage of it, then shame on me. And that's like me not living my best life that I want to have. Sorry for the wind. And literally, I'm walking in circles because the connection keeps going in and out. So it's a very Nest Pretty story, because Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And everyone's life is different and what they love and prefer and get excited about. This woman was not living her best life, and she was bitter about it. So it's just a really good example of continuing to check yourself and check your choices that you're making and your decisions that you're making and how you feel about them, so that you're not that lady in that group spewing bitterness all over everyone. Poor chica. I mean, it's true, we get busy and you do have obligations, absolutely, but it's still a choice of how you use your free time. So just saying, this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day and then like being so proud of them.